Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen Caddy Commerce Pro. It is a 2024 registered vehicle and it comes with a 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission. It's also finished in the stylish Indian grey metallic paintwork. Taking a look at your exterior features, on the front you'll find automatic headlights providing brilliant visibility. It also comes with the 16-inch Ween silver alloy wheels for excellent styling, and around to the rear you'll find parking sensors helping you to manoeuvre the vehicle via audible indications. It comes with the uplifting tailgate, so you've got easy access inside, plenty of room and a sliding side door there, as well as the lashing rings on the floor for load restraint. Making our way into the front, on the driver's door card you'll find the front electric windows and the electrically adjustable folded and heated door mirrors. Some gorgeous styling inside here, and you've got the lovely cloth upholstered seats with manual adjustment. The driver's seat does also come with the ergo comfort, so you can adjust the lumbar support for even more comfort. On the steering wheel you'll find the cruise control and speed limiter functions, as well as the volume for your media. And then on the right you've got the digital cockpit display controls. Taking a look at that, we can adjust the dials on either side to view various trip computer or media system related information. This includes things such as your driving data, as well as the centre options being adjustable with navigation. Onto the main media system, on a telephone you can connect via Bluetooth for hands-free calling when on the go. You've also got radio and media, including USB and Bluetooth audio for streaming, and then the radio does come with DAB, so you can access stations from all across the country. The navigation system is fantastic in providing you a nice clear view to any unfamiliar destinations and even pointing out nearby points of interest. Under the App Connect function, you can use a USB connection to integrate your smartphone into the system to use its applications. You even have a sound settings customizer in here to go in and adjust the bass, mid and treble. It's not just parking sensors this comes with, it also offers the reversing camera, so you have a nice clear view behind when manoeuvring, including the parking guidelines as well. Climate controls can be adjusted on screen as well, and it's super easy to do so. Making our way down from here now, you've got some quick select buttons underneath the screen for the climate and your parking sensors. You've got the 2 USBs for connection, start-stop engine button, the automatic transmission and the electronic parking brake there in the centre. For more information, visit the Swansway Motor Group website or give us a call on 01515 152 911. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.